Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain why we should eat breakfast and why it's important for our daily life. Breakfast is the first meal we eat after sleeping at night. During sleep, our body does not receive any food for many hours. Because of that, breakfast is needed to restore energy so our body and brain can work properly. First, breakfast help our brain function better. When we eat breakfast, we can concentrate more easily, remember information better, and feel more alert. This is very important, especially for students, because learning requires focus and energy. Second, eating breakfast helps to maintain stable blood sugar level. Without breakfast, we may feel tired, dizzy, or easily to irritate. Breakfast gives our body steady energy and helps us avoid sudden hunger in the morning. Third, breakfast can prevent overeating later in the day. People, people who skip breakfast often feel very hungry at lunch and may eat too much or choose unhealthy snack. Eating breakfast helps control appetite and support healthier eating habits. Next, breakfast also to boost our metabolism. When we eat in the morning, our bodies start burning calories and using nutrients efficiently throughout the day. Finally, breakfast is especially important for children and teenagers because it supports growth, brain development, and emotionally stable. A healthy breakfast can improve performance at school and daily activities. So, we should eat breakfast because it gives us energy, improves concentration, keeps our body healthy, and helps us perform better during the day. Therefore, making breakfast a daily habit is very important. So, with that, we know uh, we should breakfast all day. We should get breakfast all the day, and uh, we cannot skip breakfast. So that breakfast can help our brain function better, and with breakfast we can concentrate more easily, remember information better, and form more alert. This is very important to our healthy and to our brain too, that make our brain doesn't lazy and does not dizzy. So with this, our brain development can stable and our emotional is stable. So a healthy breakfast can improve performance at school and daily activities. Just that. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.